Hello and welcome to another video. In my last mini disc unboxing I unboxed this. I took delivery of this used mini disc, and apparently this brand is really quite rare, so I'm quite lucky to get that. These ones aren't so rare, but they are quite nice and I'm quite fond of this brand, so I thought I'd get these. I can't remember how much I paid, so I'll stick it up on the screen, because basically it's about, I've had these nearly 3 weeks on my desk. About 3 weeks maybe, simply because I've had a lot of time off of work and been spending a lot of time with the kids in the summer, the rest of the summer break, and I haven't really, although this mini disc lark isn't my work, I haven't really had any spare time to do anything in terms of videos and playing about with mini discs and stuff. So now I'm doing this on Tuesday. I'm hoping to get it edited tonight so the folks on Patreon can get early access, and hopefully you'll see this on Saturday, which gets me back onto my normal Saturday schedule for longer videos. So yeah, so there we go, BASF, there's no secrets there, really nicely packed. I've never seen this type of box before, so I don't know how it works. Oh, look at that. I think there's 8 of them, yeah, really well packed, well done to the seller. I'll be giving them good feedback as soon as I finish this. Little crack in the box. Now these cases look very similar to the JVC ones, and I just happen to have that JVC one handy because that's the JVC case is what this came in. Anyway, so yeah, we've got a nice, we'll have a look at the music that's on these in a minute. Yeah, I quite like these ones. I like the shutter on these, and I like the colours on them too. And look at that, unused labels there, unused J card there. So I get that the right way for you. Germany. I like that one already. I really can't remember how much I paid, but I'll put that up on the screen as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, hang on a second. This isn't what I think it is it? No, I thought then Techmoan did a video about a Sony Minidisc labelling system where you got the labels and you printed them off, and I thought it was the same. But this, look at that, it looks like dot matrix, but it's not. I think it's an early inkjet, but it's italic font. But you can tell it's not the right one because this has been cut by the chap or the lady who owned it before. Yeah, so let's have a look at the music that's on that. Yeah. Don't know what that is, so I'll have to have a listen to that. Another unused J card, I think. Hang on one second. What's going on here? Oh look, he's got another label in there. Oh, look at that. Very nice. I am planning to experiment a bit with labels. I've got some vinyl paper, some vinyl A4 labels. That's more or less letter size for those of you in America. And I'm going to experiment with labels to go on these, on some discs, on the front, or most likely on the back of the case. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's what I initially saw on this. Different. He'd really taken some care on getting some, labels. They're not labels, they're just pieces of paper. So, is there anything on that one? Nothing on that one. What else we got? Nice blue one, upside down, unfortunately. Don't think I've got a full set of these. That one's got the label on it as well. That's a nice colour as well. Nice discs. Maybe that's blank. So I'll enjoy listening to some of these. Another blue one. And one without a case, which is a shame. But I've got that JVC case, so I might use that. So what's that? Limp biscuit. Never heard of that one. But yeah, so that's nice. So that's the J card for it, no case, so he's probably lost the case. Really nicely packed. I've never seen a box like this. I'll be able to make use of this. It's well scratched up. It doesn't bother me, to be honest. If it was new, then I'd be upset. What does that say? Open. Yeah, quite a nice box. Yeah, very nice. So I'll enjoy listening to those later on. And that is it for this video. So I'm not even going to ask you to make sure you're subscribed, but I was watching a video from one of my favourite YouTubers the other day and I realised I wasn't subscribed to his channel. So subscribing is going to be more important in the future because they're going to start putting promoted videos on the YouTube homepage. So that's where a creator like myself would pay for an advert to go on the main page of YouTube. So if people are paying to get those views, then people who aren't paying, like me, smaller YouTubers, we're going to get pushed off of that main page. We won't appear so many times. So I already look at the, I go straight to my subscriptions feed and look at my, subscribe to all my favourite YouTubers. And then I go on my mobile or on my computer, I go straight to the subscriptions feed, which I've been doing for years because those are the ones I really want to watch. So make sure you subscribe to your favourite YouTubers, not just me, but the good ones as well. So you can keep in touch with the ones you want to watch rather than the ones that YouTube wants to sell adverts to. So that's it. Bit of a rant. See you in the next video.